everybody! Today I will tell you my next presentation. My presentation today is about how to make a test in QUIZIZZ. First off, let's start with the first question. What is QUIZIZZ? QUIZIZZ is an application that helps people to test knowledge from many subjects. QUIZIZZ is an app, but like a very good learning app. It helps people to gain their knowledge and learn more from many other subjects. What can you do in QUIZIZZ? First, there are 4 main things that you can do in QUIZIZZ. I have to do some research on. First, in QUIZIZZ, we can do many multiple questions. QUIZIZZ is like a small learning game that has many questions and has some of the questions. There are many multiple things to choose the answers. Okay. Second is you compete with friends or people. In the game, it's just like in a contest. Even when you learn and if you do one correct, you're gonna get head up one of the people or friends that you're competing with. Third, you can do some tests to memorize knowledge better. Well, memorized knowledge is very important, and which is why QUIZIZZ is the best way. When you are having problem with many questions, you can just do a small test to memorize your knowledge better. Like before, when you have an exam, maybe you can practice in this QUIZIZZ. 4, make lessons for students as a teacher. There are teachers who use QUIZIZZ too. They make lessons for students to learn. Like when the students are bored, they can make a small game with some questions to help the students learn. That is also a way so the students cannot get bored of books and writing all day. Now, I will teach you how to use QUIZIZZ. If you find this app interesting, then go ahead and start the steps. First, register. When you must get the link from some people, and then you just turn the link, the QUIZIZZ link, and then you can see this page which they said we have to register in. We have to sign up with our email, and then we will tap next. Second, there will be this screen that they said, I'm using Quiz4. There are 3 options that you can choose yourself. First, as a teacher. Second, as a student. And third, as a business. If you're a teacher, you can just tap as a teacher, or student, you can as a student, or some of them are at a business. Now, let me tell the teachers that is walking. If you guys touch as a teacher, then it will show this screen, and then you'll see the block that write classes in the right, and then you'll touch it. For the next step is name your class and share the link to your students. If you touch classes, you need to think of a name for your class, and then you can share the link with your students so they can join in and learn your lessons. There will be like, what should you name for your class, and then you have to create a class of yourself. Then they will appear, share the link with your students, and you will have to copy the link and send it to every of your students. Okay, the last step. When you finish creating a class and name them, then it will appear this. It's like not only there's one type of question, there are many type of questions. Like first is multiple choice. Second, checkbox. Checkbox is like a question that has many answers, and you only have to take one. Or you can take many answers. Third, fill in the blank. Like you will make a question with the sentences that is unknown, and the student has to type the answers, which means fill in the blank. Fourth is poll. Poll is like they gather the comments of the student or the ideas, open-ended, and the kind of question is open-ended. I just take a question, and then you can move to the next step. Is add the question. There are two options when you see this box up here. Well, first is write your own, and second is you're going to do research from the library or that. Now, what about you? What have you really found my presentation today? Do you like learning quiz? What can you do in quiz? I'm sure you can find more ideas or more research in quizzes. And quizzes is a very good and comfortable learning app. Helps everyone to gain more knowledge and memorize everything that you learn. Now it's the end of my presentation. I hope you enjoy watching. I see you in the next presentation. Goodbye.